Emkhulukhaya wetindzaba te-SABC Auckland Park eJozi lishonile Mbukeli wemukelekile etindzabeni kulendzambama asibongeke kutsi ukhethe tsine nati lethamba imbili.
I have reached a point now, Chairman, where I have to go.
No, Chair, it's not going to leave. It's not going to leave.
Asele atfukuthele aganela unwabu emalunga elikomidi lephalamende laphenya inkohlakalo nekungenelela emsebentini wemaphoyisa ngemva kwekuthi umseshi Paul O'Sullivan ashiye phasi kwetfula bufakazi.
I'm ready to be deployed in whatever position.
Even the position of the President of the
Even the
Republic.
position of President, yes.
Lisekela la mengameli we-ANC Paul Mashatile lithi lingangenela umbango wekuba ngumengameli walenhlangano uma ngabe litfuba livela. Asele atfukuthele agane lunwabu emalunga elikomidi lephalamende laphenya inkohlakalo nekungenelela emsebentini wemaphoyisa ngemva kwekuthi umseshi Paul O'Sullivan ashiye phasi kwetfula bufakazi. O'Sullivan utshele lamalunga lelikomidi ukuthi ujake kuyogibela indiza letawufulathela leli ngensimbi yekuqala emini. Lokhu ke akukanambitheki kahle kulamalunga.
Akhelomuhla uSullivan uvete ukuthi ikomishana waphambilini wamaphoyisa Jackie Selebi wasebenzisa amandla labenawo iqinjile ANC ukuthi asuse inhlelo yokuvikeleka eliphikene nekundiza embuthweni lokuvikela alufake ngaphansi kwamaphoyisa lokwenda ukuthi kukhona imicokotho livete ibe ngaphansi kweliso lemaphoyisa.
What happened, Chairman, is that after I cancelled the contract with Kusalani Security, I was informed, I think 2 days later, that the Commissioner of Police wanted an urgent meeting with me.
Lomseshi lotimele utichithe ngamagama laqinile insolo ukuthi uyinhloli wathi letinsolo ticekela phansi isitfundi sakhe futhi tibhebhethekiswa abantu labathinseka etendweni tengohlakalo. Utshele komiti ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe lomnyendi bekangawenti ngekuthi ufuna inzuzo ke phambi kokuqinisekisa ukuthi ubophele ukuphenduleleni nebulungiswa.
People that come with these conclusions do so for criminal purposes.
Kubekhona ke kujikelana ngamagama emkhathini kwelunga leParliament Mandla Sikhosana na O'Sullivan lekube sombe lesibonakala sishisa kakhulu.
But we are attacked.
The reality is my investments in Centelina have got absolutely nothing to do with the reason we are here.
Because you are a spy. You are hiding things because you are a spy.
Atinhle leParliament libeseke lithatha lunyawo lebekade lwakalinzeleki ngesikhathi O'Sullivan ashaya ikhathi lesombe wathi kunendiza lekufanele uyigibela utawushaya isikhathi lesike sento lisakawehli kahle nakancane molunga eParliament.
Unfortunately is that, yeah, I have reached a point now, Chairman, where I have to go.
No, Chair, it's not going to leave. It's not going to leave. She's going to ask her questions. He's not going to leave. If he leaves here, he's walking out.
Emalunga lekomiti asaleke abhunga ukuthi lesento sa O'Sullivan sitawusetshenziswa njani lokufaka ekhatsi kweluleka kwetemthetho.
Sikubutile ke Mbukeli ukuthi kukunika siphi sitfombe ngekuhlonishwa kwemakhomishana kulandzela ukuthi Paul O'Sullivan ashiye phasi kwetfula bufakazi kusachujwa tinhlelo telikomidi lephalamende kanti lokhu kwenteka nje naphambilini sabona lobeka inhloko ye-NPA Shamila Batohi enda sigameko lesifanako umbono wakho uyalandzela.
Uyabona uPaul O'Sullivan utshengise ngokukhulu ukudelela ukubukela phansi i-ad hoc committee bekumele bebonise ngaye benze ngaye example ngokuthi bemvule icala.
Hayi msasazi kukudelela ukho. Ukudelela okwenziwa ngabantu. Kodwa ke umthetho waseSouth Africa mawufundisa isifundo nabakangakayenzi lena into ukuba owenze ngoluhlobo ufumana oluhlobo.
Hayi la Paul O'Sullivan ukhombisa ukungahloniphi qobo. Akwazi ukuvesa shiya ikhomishana aphuma ahambe. Yiko nje ukuthi ngoba phela uyazenzela akukho umuntu ozomlandela kodwa ke sizobona ukuthi umthetho ucishe bazomthathela naye njengoba bake bakwenza nakwabanye.
Ukhombisa ngalihloniphi kakhulukazi nje abantu esibathumele ukuthi beyosimela lapha eParliament khombisa nje ungabahloniphi okuyinto esingayikhuthazi-ke la eNingizimu Afrika ukuthi yenziwe. Kuyomela ukuthi abuye azoxolisa futhi.
Izinto mina ngiyisola ngalama commission ukuthi njobe beshiya phakathi nje yingoba iqiniso bayalazi bafihla ubugebengu bafihla ubulelesi.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli iSABC ethe yetfeswa kutiphendvulela ngawo. Inhloko lebuke kuqashwa nekuqoshwa kwetisebenzi lemisiwe emsebentini kumasipala weKuruleni Linda Gcasheka iwuvikela umsebenzi wayo eKhomishaneni lamadlanga. Gcasheka usolwa ngekuthi ke waba nesandla kulesimo lesibi setimali lesibukene nalo masipala. Gcasheka utichithile tonke letinsolo labekwa tona. Wamiswa emsebentini ngemva kwesinqumo lasathathwa ngumkhandlu walo masipala.
Give evidence.
Inhloko lemisiwe emsebentini lebuke kuqashwa nekuqoshwa kwetisebenzi tamasipala weKuruleni Linda Gcasheka itshele ikhomishana yamadlanga ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe upenda sithombe lesihluke kakhulu kunaleso besivedwa kule khomishana.
To some extent, I think when the city of Joburg was going through the issues of the billing system, the ICT system, at some point in one council, I was appraised for making a change and contribution to the change at City of Joburg. Hence, when I left, I was called to go back, but I felt that I've done my journey and I have a role to play at the City of Ekurhuleni.
Gcasheka uthi wabukana nebumatima kulo masipala ngesikhathi athatha sikhundla sekuba libambela lenhloko lelibuke kuqashwa nekuqoshwa kwetisebenzi enyangeni yeNgcinga 2022.
I had no interest to start mentioning this name now, but I'm forced to. Mr. Ngeza ran with the remuneration model. The intention at the time was the remuneration model, it will cost the city around 100 million. By the time the process was concluded, it costed the city more than 400 and something million, almost $500 million. The challenges of this, it meant that the city now must embark on a moratorium. It means we reduce in filling of positions. We know, chairperson and commissioners, what that translates into. Limited capacity. We don't fill positions. Ultimately, what does that mean? Service delivery is impacted. And we expect that citizens of Ekurhuleni must be happy. These are some of the challenges I had to deal with.
Uyaqhubeka umsebenzi wale khomishana.
Vusimuzi Kate Matlala kanye nalabane lasolwa nabo bavele enkantolo lamuhla ekuseni. Umeli wemsolwa wesihlanu eqaleni lekutama kubulala lelibhekiswe kuVusimuzi Matlala nalabanye uthi umbuso awunalo licala leliphathekako. Nthabise Ngizama usolwa ngekushintshisana ngemali ngalokungemthetho. Kanti umbuso usola ukuthi ke Matlala wathumela imali ebhange laNzama kwendela ukuthi akhone ukukhokhela losolwa ngekuba ingabi.
Matlala nalabanye lasolwa nabo basolwa ngekubandzakanyeka ekutameni kubulala Tebogo Thobejane, somabhizinisi Joe Sibanyoni kanye nemdidiyeli wemculo Siyenki Mokubung.
We don't think that they have a tangible case that should go on trial. So that's the whole reason why you would do reps, is if you don't think that the state has a strong case. And so we believe that the prospects of success for the state's case are low in terms of accused number 5 specifically.
Licala labo lihlehliselwe kumhlati 18 kulenyanga letakwetfasa kulandzela ukuthi bameli batshele inkantolo lephakeme eJozi ukuthi abakakulungeli kuchubeka nalokuthethwa kwalelicala. Ummeli Ntombitina uthi kwendiwe tetfulo tekuthi umbuso usule emacala anzama.
Lisekela la mengameli we-ANC Paul Mashatile lithi lingangenela umbango wekuba ngumengameli walenhlangano uma ngabe litfuba litiveta. Mashatile bekakhuluma nemhleli wetindzaba tembangave SABC Mzwandile Mbeje lamuhla eJozi lapho ke atsinze khona naletinye tindzaba tembusave.
Lisekela la mengameli we-ANC Mashatile uthi angeke aliyekele lithuba lekungenela umbango wekuhola lenhlangano uma ngabe lingavela. Lenhlangano kulinzeka ukuthi ibambe inkhomfa ekukhetha abaholi lomnyaka lotako.
When the members are saying we think you can do this job properly, why should I say no to that? So I'm ready to be deployed in whatever position.
Even the position of the president.
Even the position of president, yes.
Mashatile uthi angeke balahle inhlangano basebenzisana nato kubusa sifundza sakwaZulu Natal njengoba iMK party yetama kukhipha nonkululo esasifundza ngesishukumiso sekungamethembi.
It's a matter we'll consider carefully because obviously we'll discuss it as leaders of the ANC, but I think we'll be guided more by principle.
Mashatile lophinze abe ngusihlalo welekomiti lelibuke kwesweleka kwemandi ikakhulukazi etindzaweni letifake eGauteng uthi sewucalile umsebenzi walekomiti kanzi uhlela kulungisa lenkinga ngekushesha.
We've now realized that some of municipalities don't have the capacity. So if we leave it to municipalities, then we will not solve the problem.
Mashatile uthi tinhlangano letingaphansi kwahulumende lumbano tiyachubeka nekusebenzisana kuhola lelive. Usina noma ngabe tikhona tingcinamba letincane nekushayisana kwemibono umsebenzi uyachubeka. Usileti inhlangano tawungena lukhetho labohulumende basemakhaya ngekudimela.
Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uqinisekise baholi benzabuko nebesive semakhoyisen ukuthi imfuyo lesetindzaweni letsemaphandleni itawuba ingcenye imfuyo lehlomulako kulomjovo wekugomela sifo sematele. Evikini leliphelile kufike imijovo lengetulu kwesigidi kanti ke kulindeleke ukuthi kutheleke leminye lengu5 million madvute. Mengameli ukhulume lokhu ngesikhathi avula ngalokusemthethweni indlu yebaholi benzabuko nesive semakhoyisen eParliament lamuhla.
Vaccination process to ensure that communal and small-scale farmers have access to them. And in fact, where FMD has sort of shown its eruption in communal areas, that is where we are going to focus first. In other words, we want to focus on communal areas, and thereafter we will then go and focus on your dairy farms as well as in your feedlots and then the rest of the national head.
Mengameli uphinze wakhuluma kabandi ngetindzaba letiphathelene nemhlaba nemalungelo emcebo waphasi. Kusenjalo indvuna yetekubusa ngekuhlanganyela netindzaba tendzabuko vele enkosini Hlabisa icele baholi bendzabuko ukuthi babumbane balwisane netikolwa tekusoka letingekho emtsetfweni. Hulumende ubonge mengameli wakule Russia Vladimir Putin ngekusita etinhlelweni tekubuyiswa kwemadvodza la-17 akuleli ladvukiswa ngekuthi ke ayiswa kule lave ukuthi ayoceceshwa kude abe bonogadza. Lamadvodza atitfola ke sekayingcenye yemasontja eRussia kulembi ne-Ukraine. Akhuluma nebetindzaba ngemphumela wemhlangano wecabinet. Indvuna ehhovisini lamengameli Khumbudzo Ntshabeni ithi icabinet iyachubeka nekuthi bophelele kulwisaneni nebugebengu lobuhleliwe.
Emadvodza lamabili kulali-17 asasele Russia kanzi munye wabo usesibhedlela. Laba-11 batheleke kuleli tolo kude batohlanganiswa nemindeni yabo. Hulumende uphenye macala kushushumbisa newekuphula umthetho wetimbi. Emadvodza lamathathu athweswe lamacala.
Cabinet joined President Ramaphosa in expressing gratitude to President Vladimir Putin, who responded positively to the call of President Ramaphosa to support the process of retaining South African men who were lured into the battle lines between Russia and Ukraine. All 17 men have been released from their contracts. The contracts they signed with military contractors. 15 of the men are back in South Africa, whilst 2 remain in Russia, with 1 in hospital, and the other one is being processed before finalizing his travel arrangements.
Kusenjalo Ntshaveni uqinisekisile ukuthi tebunhloli seticalile ngehlelo lokusebenzisana nemaphoyisa kuhlola ticu temaphoyisa ikakhulukazi leti setikhundleni letisetulu kutawucala ngemaphoyisa latsinzeka kwikhomishani yamadlanga.
Kuletinye nasibuya etitolo. Bafunzi basekhanyisile primary school eBarberton eMpumalanga solo bashaqekile ngemva kwekuhlaselwa ngemazeze. Wemukelekile mbukele esigabeni sethu sesibili na usanza ngena ukhethe kahle hlala nathi. Lobhacele sikhundla sasodolobha weJozi Helen Zille uthi nangabe licembu lakhe litawuphumelela elukhethweni labohulumende basemakhaya utawuqinisekisa ukuthi kwetfulwa kwetidzingo ncandi kubekwa embili. Zille uthi ke lushintsho lulele etandleni tetakhamuti telidolobha leJozi. Lomholi weDA bekamukela emalunga lamasha lahlubuke kuAction SA latheke utawasita kuqinisekisa ukuthi itakhamuti titfola tidzingo ncandi letifana nemandi nagesi.
Kuqhuma umkekezo kwemukelwa amalunga amasha kubika ukuthi avela ku-Action SA njengoba esengapha ku-Democratic Alliance. Umholi we-DA uHelen Zille uthi abantu baseGoli kusezandleni zabo ukuthi baphile impilo engcono.
Ubomi babantu buyaphucuka kwaye kufuneka sizise urhulumente olungileyo eGoli.
Nabantu ababuya ku-Action SA bathi bayayithemba i-Democratic Alliance ukuthi izobaweza ngelibanzi abantu baseGoli ikwazi ukuqhamuka nexazululo eziphusile zokwenza ngcono impilo yabantu.
This is the one organization that believes in hard work, transparency, it believes in the rule of law.
Umhlaziyi wezombusazwe uSolwazi ubheka imngomezi ukuthi la uzelo befuna ukudweba isithombe simbeka njengomuntu osemathubeni amahlo kudla umhlanganiso uzile.
Isinqumo se-DA ukuthi sidedele uHelenzile kube uyena owamukela amalunga e-Action SA afaka phakathi amakhansela nosihlalo bamagatsha imizamo yokwakha isithombe sokuthi Action SA iphelelwa ngamandla, i-DA ngakolunye uhlangothi iyazuza.
Uzile utshela amalunga eindaba ehlukene ukuthi akulona iqiniso ukuthi uma ngabe amalunga eqembu eshaya amakhala ngezinye inqumo eqenjini ayithathayo yena uyikhomba indlela wathi kuleli yaqembu kuyaboniswana uthi manje kusezandleni zabantu baseGoli ukuqoka iqembu elizobatakula osizini. Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla eindabeni ze-SABC ngibika ngaseGoli.
Bafunzi basekhanyisile primary school eBarberton eMpumalanga solo basashaqekile kulandzela ukuthi lesikolo singenelwe ngemazeze. Labafunzi bathi bagcine baphoceleleka ukuthi bahlale emakhaya kude kuthi ke sikolo silwisane nalesimo. Bakhala ngekuthi balahlekelwa kakhulu etifundweni tabo kanzinyalo sekudzingeka ukuthi bangene ekuseni kakhulu. Umtimba longamele lesikolo ukhale kakhulu ngekuthi litiko letemfundo kulesifundza amange liside ngesikhathi lesikolo asibukene nalesimo. Seluleko Mkhwanazi naThabo Moloya basihlanganisele lo mbiko.
Nawo. Yebo nawo. Enungemavela agibele shothi ayava ukuthi kunenyama.
Mbukeli cabanga nje uthi uya esikoleni Vumbu sewugitshelwa ngemazeze. Lokho ngilokuvelele bafunzi basekhanyisile primary ngelanga lekucala babiyela esikolweni ngemva kwetimvula lebede hamba netikhukhula. Lesihlakalo sahoyela ukuthi baphinze bahlaliswe emaviki amabili emakhaya. Ngekusho kwembiko wesikolo nemtimba losangamele batama ukuthola inkampani ukuthi futhe lamazeze. Ngemva kokufutha batali babese bakubona kukuhle ukuthi baye bayodibonela ukuthi ngabe simo sesibiyele esimeni yini. Kepha ke bafunzi bathi bangakulinzeli konke lokho. Bathi baphatamise kakhulu etifundweni tabo njengoba sekudzingeka ukuthi bangene ekuseni kakhulu.
Indzaba yemazeze yaqala kancane kuthiwa bathi bantwana kunebantu le tindo letibalumako kwaqala lapho sekuvela ukuthi imazeze bothishela bafuna kwati kakhulu ngalodaba kwavela ukuthi lamazeze aqhamuka etilwaneni letifuyywako njengetinja noma tinkhomo noma timbuti. Lengikwatiko mina ngalamazeze ukuthi masekaqalile la kwadingeka ukuthi thine bafunzi sihlale emakhaya kuze batokhona kucazulula lendzaba leyendekala kulamaklasi nekuthi bathishala abaningi nebafunzi baba negule emtimbeni ngenxa yawo lamazeze.
Kanzi ke nebatali bathi sabakhathata kakhulu lesimo. Babese bacela uhulumende wesifundza ukuthi ubasite ubiyele lesikolwa.
Sibatali kwaba nembono wekuthi kungathi linvo lehlukubeta lesikolo sebantfa bethu kwekuthi nalo fenisi awukabeki kahle ngoba kwasoleleka ukuthi lamazeze aphuma etilwaneni etimfuyweni letikhona lapha emphakathini ngoba lesikolo sisemkhathini kwemiti emphakathi lohlala khona lakhaya.
Umtimba longamele lesikolo nawo uhamba emavini ebatali ekuthi lesikolo kumele sibiyelwe. Ukhala ngekuthi lenzawo isemaphandleni igcwele netilwane. Sihlalwa lo mtimba phethe inhlabathi ukhala ngekuthi kunawa kakhulu utikolo tasemadolobheni kunaleti letisemaphandleni. Wendethi insolokeni ukuthi litiko letemfundo kulesifundza lahuthula tinyawo ukuthi libasite kulesimo.
Into leyendeka ngalesimo lesendeka la ekhaya ekhanyisile uvelele kwaqubuka lesifo semazeze. Lesifo singena ngetimbuti kakhulu nangetinja. Lapha sikwala mazozo la khona la sikolweni kungena kulala tinja ngoba asikavikeleki kahle. La sikolweni asina fenisi. Into lesingakhala ngoba sizamile kucela sacela kude la asisteka khona.
Mhlabathi uthi solo bathenjiswa ukuthi batawakhelwa sikolo njengoba lamazeze kunetinsolo ukuthi asuka kulamagumbi abomahamba nendlwana. Uthi sekuphele iminyaka solo balinzile.
So sisasebenzisa thina ilona sikolo sakucala. So lamazozo nje bathi thompora batosakhela solo sekuphela iminyaka lemihle.
Kanzi ke litiko letemfundo esifundzeni saseMpumalanga lithi umtimba longamele lesikolo kumele ube netinhlelo tekuhlanda lesikolo.
sine programs uMnyango weZemfundo eMpumalanga yokuqinisekisa ukuthi ikolo zethu zonke zine proper fence qalile kwezinye ikolo sifaka i-clear fence ifence leqinile and ifence lengakhona ukuthi iphulwe amanye amalungu omphakathi labanongena ezikoleni zethu bagcekeze bakhathe nefence le fence le iqine kakhulu and siyaqinisekisa ukuthi mase sifakile le fence lena soba nama reduced cases la uthola khona ukuthi kune fence yethu esikoleni ejutshiwe ngesingakusho ukuthi through le program leyo naleso sikolo sizobenefita.
Sambo uthi umphakathi awubambisane uqinisekise kuphepha kwetikolwa. Ngingiselule komkhwanazi wenza abade SABC eBabathoni eMpumalanga.
Nasivakashele kumakethe tetimali sitfola ukuthi lirandi lehlile nalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Kunesibusiso Mahlalela kulethamba embili kulethphuma embiteni kuligwalagwala FM. Lishonile Sibu.
Alishone Rebecca siyavuselana kumbukelo tinzaba tesiswati khona ke ekhaya ku SABC1 nathi ke lesiphethe kuhlelo namuhla nzambama njengoba sinenhlangano yebalimi bendlu lemnyama kukhuluma kabandi ngemijovo yekulapha ngesifo sematela njengoba ke nasike sifo sesiphethe ukufunza letinengi kuloke lelivele eNingizimu Afrika ngetilo kwaloko sitakhuluma kabandi nebahlati betinzaba tepolitics kuya kabandi sendo semnumzane Paul O'Sullivan longumseshi lotimele njengoba ke ahambe washiya emalungelo ekomiti lesikhashana eParliament lapha kabandi ngenisolete ngohlakalo emaphoyiseni alelivele eNingizimu Afrika. Siphe indlebe ngensimbi yesithupha simathe insimbi yesikhombisa kumsakazo lokwala FM kulihlelo letiphuma embiteni. Nzamba malehle mlengane ekhaya sibonga kakhulu siboleka indlebe.
Sibonga kakhulu kuye Sibu nganzi itiyaguca atalamuhla asiphinze sihlangane kusasa. Letela maleti tinensimbi yesikhombisa ngesixhosa ungaphuthelwa simo selitoli nanto zakhe mathebula ngemva kwetitolo inzambama lenhlengwane.
Sikubingelele sikwamukele kunasi isimo selitulu kusihlana namuhla ngalo nomuhle sibuka kakhulu ke kuye Rebecca kanze ke masibuka sithombe sethu akhombisa amahla kakhulu ke mathuba emvula mabuka ke la cishe tifunze lethelugwini lelive ngalo nomuhle njengoba lapha ku 60% engxenye nesifunza ke la Eastern Cape 30% mawukhuphuka ke la ubuka ikakhulu kade eMpumalanga yelive ngalo nomuhle kanze ke likhombisa kubalela mawubuka ke la ingxenye yesifunza iNorthern Cape kanze ke elangeni la kusasa ngalo nomuhle asisekhona lawo mathuba emvula njengoba inyukela la ku 60% ikakhulu kade sifunza ke la eKwaZulu Natal ngalo nomuhle kanze ke aku 30% mawungena ke ngabene live kanze ke likhombisa nengibonye ngemafu mawubuka ke la ikakhulukati ngwalelo muhle eMpumalanga yelive kanze ke kusasa nobe ke sixwayiso lesivela baka South African Weather Service likhombisa ke kuduma kakhulu mawubuka ikakhulukati enkabeni live ngwalelo muhle njengoba mawubuka ingcenye esifunza ke la eKwaZulu Natal kanjalo eMpumalanga eGauteng nayo ke la eNorthwest ngenxa yesikhathi ngwalelo muhle sitawuthatha sibeke la busuka bube lobuhle.